Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Buldak, also known as Korean fire chicken, is one of the spiciest and most famous dishes from South Korea. The word buldak comes from two Korean words. Bul means fire and dak means chicken. Together, the name means fire chicken, which perfectly describes this bold and fiery meal. It became popular because of its intense heat, rich flavor, and satisfying combination of spicy sauce and tender chicken. Over the years, buldak has become a favorite not only in Korea but also around the world. Many people enjoy challenging themselves to eat this incredibly spicy dish, while others simply love its unique balance of heat, sweetness, and smoky taste. Whether served in restaurants, prepared at home, or enjoyed as instant noodles inspired by the original recipe, buldak continues to win the hearts of food lovers everywhere. The history of buldak dates back to the early 2000s in South Korea. During that time, many people were dealing with stressful work schedules and busy lifestyles. Spicy food became increasingly popular because many believed that eating something extremely spicy helped relieve stress by triggering the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. Creative restaurant owners started experimenting with chicken recipes covered in intensely spicy sauces made from Korean chili peppers. The result was a dish that quickly became famous among people looking for an exciting and unforgettable meal. Restaurants serving buldak soon attracted long lines of customers eager to test their spice tolerance. As its popularity grew, different regions and restaurants created their own versions, adding unique ingredients while keeping the signature fiery flavor. The star of buldak is its flavorful sauce. Although recipes vary from one cook to another, most versions include Korean gochugaru, which are red chili pepper flakes known for their bright color and balanced heat. Many recipes also use gochujang, a fermented Korean chili paste that adds depth, sweetness, and richness. Garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sugar or honey, sesame oil, black pepper, and sometimes hot chili powder are mixed together to create a thick, spicy marinade. Some cooks also add rice syrup or corn syrup for a glossy finish and a slightly sweet taste that balances the intense heat. The combination of these ingredients creates a sauce that is spicy, savory, sweet, and deeply satisfying. The chicken used in buldak is usually boneless chicken thighs because they remain juicy even after cooking over high heat. Some recipes use chicken breast for a leaner option, while others include chicken wings or drumsticks. The chicken is marinated in the spicy sauce for several hours or overnight so that every bite absorbs the bold flavors. After marinating, the chicken is grilled, pan-fried, or baked until it develops a slightly charred exterior while staying tender and juicy inside. The smoky flavor from grilling adds another layer of deliciousness that perfectly complements the spicy sauce. One of the most recognizable features of traditional buldak is the melted cheese often placed on top before serving. While the original dish was extremely spicy without cheese, many modern versions include mozzarella because its creamy texture helps soften the heat. The melted cheese stretches over the chicken, creating a beautiful contrast between the fiery red sauce and the creamy white topping. Many people enjoy wrapping a piece of spicy chicken with melted cheese to create the perfect balance of flavors. This combination has become one of the reasons why buldak is so popular with people who enjoy spicy food but still appreciate a touch of richness. Buldak is often served with side dishes that help cool the mouth after each spicy bite. Steamed white rice is the most common companion because it balances the intense flavors and makes the meal more filling. Pickled radish cubes are another popular side dish. Their crisp texture and slightly sweet, tangy flavor provide refreshing relief from the spicy chicken. Fresh lettuce leaves, sliced cucumbers, kimchi, bean sprouts, and cold beverages are also commonly served alongside buldak. These side dishes create a complete dining experience by offering different textures and flavors that complement the fiery main dish. From its origins to its signature spicy sauce, buldak has become a true icon of Korean cuisine. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.